Hello, grade 8 students. Let's start to solve two questions about similarity. First question, we have two triangles. They are similar to each other. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle CBD. We are going to use the letters or the first, the side BC is similar to the side BD. Okay, let's create the ratio. The side BC is 5 centimeters. I don't need to write the unit. So the side BD is 2.5 centimeters equals. So the side AB, look at AB, is similar to the side CB. So AB, and we are going to write the big triangle on the top part, the small, let's say a relatively small triangle, and it will be in the bottom part. So top part big triangle, which is 7 centimeters, and bottom part for small triangle, so it is X. So we have learned how to solve proportion. We are using cross multiplication, you remember, often. So x times 5 equals 7. So multiplication symbol, let me use this, otherwise you may get confused. So let's say 7 times 2.5. So finally x equals what? 7 times 2.5 over 5. So 2.5 cancels, let's say, part of 5. So we are going to simplify. We will get 1 over 2. Finally, we will get 7 over 2. What about question 2? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Looking at the letters, let's say. So the side BC is similar to the side EF. Let's create the proportion. Side BC over the side EF equals 4. So the side AC, the side AC, look at this. AC, the side DF is X. The side AC is 3, DF is X. So we are going to use the same method we have learned in proportions, which is cross multiplication. Let's use it. 3 times 4 equals 2 times X equals 6 centimeters. So we didn't write the unit. Thanks so much for these two. If you understand, I would be happy. Guys, take care and practice more.